Hey guys, in this video we will introduce you to the SLG Concrete Coatings amazing industrial strength product and the process we use to install it. We will explain why our coatings and service outperform the competition and how you can have your floors transformed in just one day. Let's take a look at why traditional coatings fail. Most coatings on the market are water-based epoxy systems that are found at box stores and paint shops. They are advertised as low cost and easy to install. Problem is, they're not easy, and they usually fail. Epoxies harden with time and usually start to fail within 1 to 2 years, which causes chipping and peeling. Most homeowners do not have the proper equipment to profile concrete, and in this business, preparation means everything. If your floor isn't prepped right, your coating won't last. Properly preparing the surface is absolutely critical. Our certified installation teams have the proper equipment and training to prep your floor efficiently. Our typical floor grinder weighs over 600 pounds and uses high-quality diamond tooling under extreme pressure to profile the surface of the concrete. If your floor has minor cracks or damaged areas, these can typically be repaired using our mender system that's ready to coat in just 15 minutes. Unlike traditional epoxy, our system features polyaspartic, a material that's much stronger and more flexible. Our base coat has been engineered for maximum adhesion to your concrete. It finds the open pores of the concrete and bonds into the substrate, literally becoming a permanent part of the floor. These decorative chips come in a variety of designer colors and are 100% UV stable, so you never have to worry about your coating fading or discoloring. Custom colors are available, so please be sure to ask your design consultant for more information. We start by scraping and collecting all the loose chip. This process allows us to create just the right texture and feel. Your feet will thank us for a floor that is comfortable and safe to walk on, but attractive and easy to clean. The final step is installing our polyaspartic top coat. Its non-porous finish makes it 100% antibacterial and antimicrobial. It's designed for maximum durability. It's incredibly chemical, impact, and wear resistant, as well as slip resistant. If more grip is needed, an additive can be applied to the mixture for an additional cost. Imagine transforming your floor in just one day. Come home to excellence with a brand new surface that you can be proud of. An ideal solution for garages, patios, front steps, walkways, pool decks, interiors, and any outdoor concrete surface where UV stability and maximum durability are required. Our seamless floors are perfect for extending the living space of your home. Ideal solutions for retail, industrial, food service, and more. For the ultimate in durability, safety, and beauty, trust your certified SLG Concrete Coatings team, proudly serving San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties. Quality you can stand on.